Hi there guys, it's Mark and Jules here from the Future Toolbox. Hopefully you remember us from our couple of days that we worked with you here up at Moulton College, where we looked at employability skills and life beyond your education and how to get that positive answer from the decision maker. But again, we wanted to just tell you how fantastic you were and how engaging you were, and we were really delighted and very proud of how you reacted and worked with us those 2 days, so thanks.
Yes indeed, just as Jules said, exactly all of those things, and your creativity and the ideas that you gave us were really phenomenal. So Moulton sixth form students, you guys rock. Thank you very much from Mark and Jules at the Future Toolbox, and also a big shout out to all the teachers that helped and supported you on your journey. So we wish you every bit of success in your work experience and beyond, and we look forward to seeing you all in the future. Good luck everybody.
Yeah, good luck.